Have you ever thought about why life seems to be on easy mode for some people and expert level for others? It is not just random luck. Welcome to Legacy Lab. There is a powerful idea that explains this, and it is called intersectionality. The term was coined by the brilliant legal scholar Kimbrel Crenshaw. She explained that our different identities, like our race, gender, class, and ability, do not exist in separate boxes. They overlap and intersect, creating unique experiences of advantage and disadvantage. Think about it like this. Life is not a checklist where you experience sexism one day and racism the next. For a black woman, these two can hit at the same time, creating a unique form of discrimination that is not just about being black or just about being a woman. It is a combined, compounded experience. Crenshaw actually came up with this idea in 1989 when she was looking at legal cases. She found that black women were being told they could not sue for discrimination because their experiences did not fit neatly into the court's separate boxes for race or gender. The law was missing the point entirely. Let's look at more examples. Imagine a young man from a low-income neighborhood who also has a physical disability. He is not just facing barriers because of his economic status or just because of his disability. He is navigating a world where a lack of accessible public transportation, limited job opportunities for people with disabilities, and the financial strain of medical bills all pile on top of each other. His struggle is a unique intersection. Or consider an immigrant woman who is also a senior citizen. She might face ageism in the workplace, language barriers when trying to access healthcare, and cultural biases from people who do not understand her background. These challenges do not happen one by one. They are tangled together, making her daily life much more complex than for someone who only deals with one of those issues. Another example is a young Latino man trying to get into a top university. He might be the first in his family to go to college, so he doesn't have the guidance that students from legacy families have. At the same time, he might face stereotypes and biases during the application process that his white classmates do not. His journey is shaped by the intersection of his ethnicity and his family's socioeconomic background. Intersectionality is everywhere. It shows up in healthcare, where a woman of color might have her pain dismissed more often than a white man. It appears in the justice system, and it is reflected in pay gaps. It is a framework that helps us see the full picture of inequality. It reminds us that people are not just one thing. We are complex, and our struggles and advantages are too. Understanding this helps us build a fairer world for everyone. What are some examples where you have seen intersectionality play out in real life? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the ideas that shape our world, make sure to subscribe to Legacy Lab. Thanks for watching.